Found ACF files in your Steam folder and wondering what they track? These files manage your installed Steam game library. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how Steam ACF files work. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single ACF file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. Users encounter ACF files in their Steam library folders, where they store metadata about installed games, including their current state, update status, and installation directory. These files are crucial for the Steam client to manage and launch games correctly, and are often involved in troubleshooting installation issues or corrupted downloads. The ACF format is a proprietary binary key-value structure used by Valve. It is designed for fast read/write access by the Steam client to quickly verify game integrity and manage application states without parsing large game data files. Its compact, non-human-readable nature ensures efficient performance for the platform's core functions. Your primary troubleshooting tool for ACF should be the specialized Steam by Valve Corporation. The file is susceptible to corruption when accessed by standard Windows processes. Windows offers only surface-level viewing, so proper interpretation requires external tools or manuals. We are performing a vital system software check. Right-click your ACF file and choose Open With. Test with Steam first. If it's missing, select another program. The fix is often a simple software switch. If your ACF file isn't cooperating, don't worry. Errors with the ACF format usually come down to a small, critical detail. Let's review our checklist now and verify all necessary components. First, letting Steam manage. The Steam client automatically creates and maintains ACF files during game installation updates and removal operations. No manual intervention is required for normal Steam library management. The client updates ACF files as games change, ensuring accurate installation tracking across your gaming library. Next, inspecting as text. Open ACF files in Notepad or any text editor to view the structured installation metadata. The key values format displays game application IDs, installation paths, and status flags in readable form. This inspection helps troubleshoot installation issues without modifying files directly. Finally, resolving installation issues. If Steam reports incorrect installation status, or fails to recognize installed games, delete the affected ACF files while Steam is closed. Restarting Steam triggers redetection of game installations, creating fresh ACF files based on actual installation state. This resolves many common Steam library issues. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.